In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an image background transparent in Pixlr quickly and easily, even if you've never edited an image before. This is a super useful trick if you want to create clean product photos, thumbnails, logos or cutouts for your website and social media. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Pixlr web app. Once you're on the home page, choose Pixlr, which is the advanced editor, and then click Open Image. From here, upload the image you want to edit from your computer. After the image loads, take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. If your image layer is locked, you'll see a small lock icon. Click that lock icon to unlock the layer and make it editable. This step is important because you won't be able to remove the background properly until the layer is unlocked. Next, go to the toolbar on the left and select the Magic Wand tool. The Magic Wand is perfect for selecting large areas of similar color, which makes it ideal for removing plain or solid backgrounds. Once the tool is active, click on the background color you want to remove. Pixlr will automatically select that area based on the color similarity. If the entire background doesn't get selected right away, you can adjust the tolerance or click additional areas until the selection covers everything you want to remove. Take a moment to check the edges of your subject and make sure you're not selecting anything you want to keep. After the background is selected, you can delete it so the transparent checkerboard pattern appears behind your subject. That checkerboard pattern means the background has been removed successfully. If needed, you can zoom in and refine the selection for a cleaner result. This is especially helpful if your image has edges that are close in color to the background. Once everything looks good, it's time to export your image. Click File at the top, then choose Export, and finally select Quick Export as PNG. PNG is the format you want because it supports transparency, while formats like JPEG do not. Save the file to your computer, and now you have a transparent background image ready to use anywhere you need it. So that's how to make an image background transparent in Pixlr in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials for more quick editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.